Hi guys, I've been looking at the Surfn icon themes and made a split of the monolith icon theme, and it has now a choice, right? You can actually choose what to install, and there is also a meta package for me that makes it interesting for me to just install it at one time. The icons meta, you see it? Icons meta. Basically, it's everything. Everything you see here can be installed in one go, makes it a little bit faster to install things. And they all have their purpose or their imagination or their inspiration. And Surfn is a locomotive, is basically the guy that is pulling most of the icons, not everything, as you see in the gigabytes and the megabytes, sorry. Not the gigabytes, thank God, right? You see that there are a few big ones, and the Surfn icon, where are you, guy? The Surfn icon theme is the one that's actually is pulling everything in. So we've been playing with these icons up here. They're all looking normal for me, and that's what I wanted to achieve: a plasma look, as well as an XFC, as in a cinnamon, as a gnome. Looked around, and all the icons are the way I like them, right? So have fun with the Surfn icons. You see there are many differences in between them, different choices, but first up was, of course, to fix the Surfn icons. All right, cheers. Here he is. There he is. Cheers.